This is middle of fall, and if you grow mint in your garden, you know that it's going to die back soon, and then in spring it will sprout back again. And if you're like me, who uses mint on daily basis, you start thinking of preserving it. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let me share the methods that I use to preserve mint. So I'm going to just cut some of these. You want to make sure the leaves are green and not dry like this. So, maybe this branch, I can leave it out. These look good. So now the next step is to separate the leaves from the stems, because these stems are really hard. So you don't want to preserve those stems. So we are going to just separate out the leaves. So you basically take one stem and just run your fingers in the opposite direction of the leaf. So hold it from the top, run it like this, and then just break this. So it's not that difficult, and it's not that time consuming. These leaves, they kind of look yellow, so I'll leave them out. So that's it. So now I'm going to wash it. I have washed it a few times, and now I'm going to just take a towel and spread the leaves on top of it like this. Once you have washed the leaves thoroughly, you can let it dry a little bit, meaning they are not wet, they are somewhat dry. And then you can do one of the four things. Let it dry for a few days indoors in indirect sunlight, and it will become like this. You can hear the sound. They are completely dry, and then you store in an airtight container. And then whenever you want to use them in your yogurt drink or in spiced appetizing drinks, you can just crush the leaves into the drink. I would suggest that you store these leaves as whole. Don't crush them, because when you want to use it, if you crush it at that time, you get more aroma and more flavor. Second, you can make a mint cilantro chutney, meaning you take 1 part mint, 2 parts cilantro, some salt, some cumin seeds, some green chilies, and lime juice, and blend it, and you have a chutney ready, which you can save in the freezer. For example, this is the chutney that I have made before, and now it is frozen. You can also freeze the leaves just by themselves. So I have frozen these leaves, and now I can put them in a Ziploc bag and put it in freezer. So the last method is that you freeze the leaves in an ice tray. So you can see in each of the cubes there is a leaf, and then you can just take out the cubes and store them in a Ziploc bag in freezer. So you can dry up the leaves like this and store them in a container. You can make chutney and store it in freezer. You can freeze the leaves just by themselves and put them in a Ziploc bag, or you can make ice cubes with these leaves and put them in a Ziploc bag. So this can be used in your mojitos or any other drink which needs mint leaves. This can be used in your biryanis and pulavs. This can be used as a dip for starters or with Indian meal, and this can be used for spicy drinks like yogurt drink or appetizing drinks. So drying mint leaves and making chutney are the two most favorite ways of preserving mint for me. The other two, not so much. Are there any other methods you guys use to preserve mint? If so, please share in the comments so we can also use that. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.